Everyone, welcome to a new video of senior secondary course maths and NIOS. In this video we will be covering the topics check your progress 2.5 from the lesson relations and functions. Before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you liked the content and share it with your friends. Let's move on to the topic. So first question is, which of the following statements are true or false? Find out true or false out of this. So function f of x 2x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 9x is an even function. Whether it is true or false, we have to check. So how to do this question is, for a function to be even, fx should be equal to f of minus x. Okay, so that we have to check. So f of x is this value, f of minus x will be 2 raised to minus x raised to 4. Wherever you have x, substitute with minus x. Okay, and the resulting answer will be 2x raised to 4 because it is even number, so negative becomes 4 times. When it is multiplied, it will be a plus. Okay, so this will be 7x square minus 9x. How this came? Because it is 1 odd number, you will have that negative sign there. For even number, you will not have the sign there because it is minus into minus, or minus 1 into minus 1 is the meaning. It will be plus 1. Okay, so this is the solution that you're getting. Are they same? They are not same, so it doesn't follow this rule. That's why this is false. The first statement becomes false because of this. Second one is, odd function is symmetrical about y-axis. So this statement is false. The reason is, a function is odd if its graph is symmetrical with respect to the origin, not about the y-axis, it is about the origin. Okay, it means the figure rotates about the origin and remains unchanged. And if you take a symmetric function, it would be symmetric about y-axis. It is for even function, not for odd function. Okay, that is the reason. A graph would be like similar to this structure where it is symmetrical along the origin. Okay, so second statement is false. Third statement is, the given function is a polynomial function. So you can see here you have got 1 by root x, or 1 by 2 is there. Okay, so it will be root x. Okay, so this you can say it is not polynomial, it is rational function. So that is also false. Fourth question, f of x is a rational function. That is true. It is in the rational form p by q. And function f of x is a constant function. Yes, these are constants, so this is also true. Next one, sixth one is, domain of the function is the set of real number except 0. For this one also it is true, because if you take 0 as the value, it will be indefinite or infinite. That will not give you the solution. So domain should be all the values except 0 here. In the denominator it should not be 0. So that is the true statement. Greatest integer function or the step function is neither even nor odd. Okay, the floor function you can say. So this is true. Okay, hope you understood why these statements are true or false. Accordingly, we have also given the reasons for them being true or false. Let's move on to the next question. Let's solve the second question's first part. What is the question? We have to see. Find out the functions which are odd or even function. So which of them is even and which of them are odd, you have to find out. So let's take the first example, f of x equal to x square minus 1 by x plus 1. So f of minus x will be, you have to find out for even function, both of them will be same. We have done in the previous question. So refer there, and both of them should be same. So if it is f of minus x, substitute everywhere where you have x value. So minus x the whole square minus 1 by minus x plus 1. So if you open the bracket, it will be x square because negative sign is there, and 2 times it is done. So minus 1 into minus 1, it will be plus 1. Okay, for when the exponent is even number, Okay, and you have a negative sign for a number, it will automatically turns to positive. Because of this reason, minus 1 x square becomes minus x square becomes minus 1 into minus 1, so it will be 1. The result will be 1. So you get, which easily says that both of them are not the same. You can see here it is having minus x here, so this function is not even. You can say it is not even. So let's check if it is odd. So for odd function, you have the property of f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. Okay, so let's see, f of minus x is equal to x square minus 1 by minus x plus 1. This is the solution. You can see here, take minus common from the below. If you take, it will be x minus 1. Okay, so you will be left out with the new denominator's sign, that is equal to minus of f of x. Okay, you can see here the whole thing represent f of x, so you get f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So this is the statement for your odd function, hence it is proved, and the given function is odd function. Okay, next question is C question. X square plus 5. In this case, let's check the same way how you do. So f of, for even, f of minus x, so 1 by x square plus 5. In this case, you will be getting the value as the same as your f of x. Okay, f of minus x equal to f of x, so this is an even function. Even function. This E question. For this question, if you apply fx and f of minus x, what will happen if it is f of minus x the minus x the whole square plus 1, that is equal to minus x by x square plus 1. So this is the solution for your f of minus f of x. You are not getting the value as minus f of x, so your even function doesn't work out in this case. Let's see for odd function whether it is an odd function. So for an odd function, the property is f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. Okay, so we have seen f of minus x equal to minus x by x square plus 1, x square plus 1. So if you take this minus separately, the whole term can be written as f of x, so that if you write, you solve for the odd function. So odd function is satisfied for this case. Okay, now let's see the H question. This is your H question. So if you do for this case, what will happen? Let's check f of minus x. It would be minus x minus of minus x cube minus x minus of x cube will be minus of x cube. So again, this minus minus will become plus minus x plus x cube, or you can write x cube minus x cube minus x. This is the solution. So if you see here, f of x equal to opposite of this one, it's not x cube minus x, so that even function property is not solved, even function not done. Let's check odd function. Odd function says f of minus x equal to minus f of x. If we check f of minus x, solution is x cube minus x, or you can write minus x minus 1 or x plus x3, or you can write minus x3, which is equal to minus of f of x. Okay, so f of minus x equal to minus of f of x, which says that both are same if the odd function situation is carried out. So the function itself is odd function. Okay, this is satisfied. So odd function, the given function is odd. Third question, this is the given function where x value depends on the y. Okay, value of x will give you an appropriate y. So let's make a table. In this table, categorize x and y. If the value of x is minus 2.5, the value of y will be minus 3. If it is minus 1.5, it will be minus 2. 0, 0. And next value is 1.5, then it will be 1. 2.7, it will be 3. So in that manner, if you solve and find out, you will get a straight line. Okay, substitute it in a graph, and from the graph you can plot the required graph. Okay, next one, fourth question is to categorize the function as polynomial, rational, reciprocal, or constant function. So the meaning of all this we have already discussed in our previous video of special functions. Okay, just go and visit that video. Types of functions. So this is a polynomial function. This is a rational function because you can see it is in the form of rational numbers. Then comes 3 by x square, that is again you can say it is rational. P by q form where q not equal to 0. And if you see d, this also rational function. If you see this e, you can say it is rational again. F is can be rational because p by q form, and it is not allowing the denominator to be 0. Then comes the last question, that is constant function. On the right hand side you can see a simple number which doesn't change with time. Okay, hope you understood this video questions. If the video was useful to you, please don't forget to give it a like. Do comment in the comment section and subscribe to the channel and to get the notifications on time. See you in the next video.